David Jernigan is a professor in public health in Boston. And here he talks about the way that alcohol marketing has reached our young people through social media.
The alcohol industry has a voluntary standard that they won't place the marketing anywhere where people under 21 are more than 28.6% of the audience. So in other words, they have made a commitment not to market to audiences that are disproportionately young. The group at risk here is 12 to 20-year-olds. And by including the 0 to 11-year-olds, the industry basically gave itself permission to double expose the group most at risk compared to the rest of the population. That's what our studies were finding over and over again. Now, that was back in the day when you could track this stuff. We bought the Nielsen data. It was predictable. Everybody watching a TV program at the same time was seeing the same thing. The world is completely different now, and no one is tracking it. As I'm sure you know, social media marketing is geographically, behaviorally, and contextually targeted. And there are very sophisticated algorithms so that if you and I are on the same site at the same time, we'll be served completely different advertising based on our behavior on the web prior to that moment. We have such strong First Amendment protections for commercial speech in this country that it's very difficult to regulate advertising. So they're voluntary, it's kind of Scout's honor from the industry. And then you go from there to the rapid evolution of marketing techniques in social media, like influencers. There are no rules. There's an Australian study done of the top influencers in Australia, and roughly 70% of them had alcohol in their Instagram feeds, and somewhere around 40% of them were disclosing that they were commercial. In other words, most of them weren't disclosing that these were commercially sponsored.
Thank you for watching this video. We publish new videos every week, so if you enjoy this sort of content, please like and subscribe to the channel.